The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up is a book written by Marie Kondo. It offers a practical guide to decluttering and organizing one's home and life. In the book, Kondo argues that by getting rid of clutter and surrounding ourselves with items that bring us joy, we can create a sense of calm and order in our lives. One of the key themes in the book is the idea that it is important to be selective about the items we choose to keep in our homes. Kondo advises readers to go through their possessions and to get rid of anything that does not bring them joy or serve a useful purpose. She also discusses the importance of finding a designated place for each item and of organizing items in a way that makes them easy to access and use. Another important concept in the book is the idea that clutter is often a manifestation of our own emotional baggage, and that it is important to address these underlying issues in order to truly declutter our lives. Kondo advises readers to be honest with themselves about their feelings and to take the time to reflect on the things that are most important to them. In addition to discussing the practicalities of decluttering and organizing, the book also explores the psychological and emotional benefits of creating a sense of calm and order in one's home. Kondo argues that by surrounding ourselves with things that bring us joy, and by creating a peaceful and organized living space, we can feel more grounded and centered in our daily lives. Overall, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up is a thought-provoking and practical guide to decluttering and organizing one's home and life. It is a message that is particularly relevant for today's generation, as many people are seeking to create a sense of calm and order in their busy lives. By applying the principles outlined in the book, readers can learn to declutter their homes and lives, and to surround themselves with things that bring them joy and purpose. And that is the summary of The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, by Marie Kondo. Subscribe for more daily empowerment videos. Empower yourself, today. Thank you for watching.